Right? Hello again, potato. Okay, so here, potato. Let's move now to the next one. Okay, so potato, we have here the word superlative adjectives. Okay, if we say superlative adjectives, potato, it means it is the highlight person of or thing between two or more. It means it is the adjective and we add EST. Okay. EST. Okay. For example, but then, potato, if the word is very long, if the word is very long, you use most. For example, you will say, most beautiful. Can you read the example, potato? What's the example? What's the example?
In the wall in that room, brother is the toilet, man in my car.
Okay, very good. So look at here. We compare Rachel to many or to all the people inside the room. So we say, since the word beautiful is a long word, we use most. Most beautiful. But if the word is just short, you say, you add EST. For example, potato. For example, listen here. For example, example, big. Superlative. If we continue or if we compare big, you will say, add EST. Big will become, isa. Big will become, yes, again. Big will become biggest. How about small? If it's superlative, small will become smallest. Correct. But if the word is long, potato, the word is long. You say most. How about long? What will you say if it's long? Longest. Correct. We add EST to make it in the superlative. Okay? Understand? Put EST to the word to make it in a superlative. Okay. Okay. Here, potato. Let's continue or let's try to write the missing word. But first, potato, what are the words inside the box? Please read. Dry, yes. Please read. Potato, read. Dry.
Pardon to ten between two order. The lecture shop. We added EST to verify it.
Okay, how about this?
The invoices long. It's long.
Okay, this one. How about this? Can you see my screen? This one, the one with pictures. How many pictures can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see the pictures
Yeah.
or no? How many pictures can you see on the screen? How many pictures?
5.
5. Okay. So these sentences here, potato, are from the pictures. But the numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5 got missing words. So we are going to complete the sentences using the words here at the right side. Okay? So we have here, please read. What's this? Dry, yes. Please read. What's this, potato? Can you read? Again, dry, yes. Next. What's next? Cold, coldest. Next. What's next? Sunny, yes. Okay. Next. Where? Please read.
When
Wettest. Okay. Next, we have
Red.
windy.
Hottest.
This one, windiest.
Windiest.
And last, we have,
Hottest.
okay, so here, how about let's go to number 1. Let's read number 1. Go. There's, please read.
There's lot of ice Arcadia.
Again,
It's a
Antarctica. Wait,
hottest
wait.
place in the world.
Antarctica.
Arcadia.
Mm.
It's
It's the,
the closest place in the world.
okay, look at the picture of, picture number 1 is an Antarctica. It is the coldest place in the world. Very, very cold. So superlative is coldest, means very cold. Okay, how about number 2? Potato, number 2. The,
The wettest
uh,
town.
the wettest town is,
Wettest town is India. It's red.
okay, your answer is wettest. Okay. Is that your answer? Wettest? Potato, is that your answer? Hello. So unmute your mic so teacher can hear you. Okay, potato. Potato, can you hear teacher? Oh, unmute your mic so I can hear you. Teacher cannot hear you. Okay. Potato, let's do number 3. Number 3, Africa. Go. Number 3. Potato. Oh, you listen to me. Can you hear teacher or not? No sounds. Potato, can you hear teacher?
You.
Okay, there. I can hear you now. Okay, potato, number 3. What's number 3? Let's read
Number
number 3.
3 is hottest.
Again, Africa. Read first.
Africa in the hottest part of the world.
Okay, your answer is hottest, number 3. Okay, next. How about number 4? The
winter stays in Africa too. The winter.
Oh, the blank plate is Antarctica too. The wind there is strong. What's the answer?
Winter.
Okay, windiest.
Winter.
Okay, next. Number 5. In Arizona, please read.
Africa is always dirty sunny. It's the red.
Driest. Okay. So, potato, are you now ready with your answer?
Yeah.
Ready now? Okay, let's check your answer. Okay, number 2. The blank town is in India. It rains there a lot. The correct answer here is, look at potato. Oh, very good. Correct. So this one is correct. I'll mark it check. Correct. Next, number 2. And number 3. Africa is the blank part of the world. The answer number 3 is yes. Very good. Potato. Look at here. Number 3 is still correct answer. Number 4. The blank place is Antarctica too. The wind there is really strong. Your answer is windiest. Look at the answer number 4. Number 4 is windiest. Good job. Very good. You got it. Okay, next, number 5. Number 5. In Arizona, it's always dry and sunny. It's the blank place, the USA. The answer is dry. Yes, very good. Potato, great job. You got 4 out of 4. Okay. Good job. You were able to understand the picture and the sentence. Good job, potato. Very good, very good. Okay, you got it. All right, so potato, let's move to the next one. Okay, now here, potato, let's draw the weather that you like most. What's the weather that you like the most, potato? Can you draw? What's the weather
No,
that you like
it's
the most?
wrong.
Oh,
Sunny.
okay, no? Sunny? Oh, how do you draw a sunny weather? Can you draw a sunny weather?
No.
Oh, no. Okay, okay, let's move. All right. Now here, potato. Let's talk about present simple. Can you please read the present simple? A verb. Come on, please read. Please read a verb.
From the warm sciences that tell about the action, the comment
Circumstance.
and recovery of connection.
Occurrences. Okay. Potato, listen. If we say present simple, it tells about the action, the circumstance that happens regularly. Okay? It happens always. Regular. It happens now. It will happen tomorrow. And it will happen in the next future. Regular. So if we say present simple, potato, we use the subject and then the be verb. Is an are and the predicate. Okay, that's for positive. For negative, there is not. All right. If it's a question, you do first the be verb before the subject. All right. So here, let's have this one. Potato. If it's present continuous, it means there is a progress. The action is still doing. Okay? Not yet stopped. Alright? So you put verb plus ing. Example, eat, eating. Swim, swimming. Run, running. Okay? ing. Okay? There should be ing in the word. All right. Past tense. Okay. For example, potato. Choose a word to complete the weather. So, what is the weather today? It is, how about in Vietnam, potato? What's the weather in Vietnam today? You say, it is, go.
And then sunny.
Mm.
No,
It
no, no.
is
Sunny and rainy.
sunny today. Again. It
Sunny
is
and rainy day.
sunny and rainy
Sunny and
today. Is it today?
sunny and rainy.
Okay.
Sunny and
How
rainy.
about potato? How about yesterday? What was the weather yesterday? Oh, past tense. You say it was yesterday.
One.
Mm.
Is it?
It was
Today. Is
not,
it?
not today. How about yesterday? Past tense already.
What?
Yesterday. What's the weather yesterday?
Sunny.
Oh, you say it was sunny yesterday. Again.
It
Okay.
was sunny yesterday.
Okay. All right. It was sunny yesterday. Very good. So if the weather is today, you say it is. But if it's already done, you say it was. Okay? You say it
Yeah.
is if it's today. It was if it's yesterday. All right. Now here, look at here. Potato, today. Please read potato.
Today is sunny. I'm too hot. So yesterday is sunny and I was very cool.
Okay. All right, so here, today it's sunny and I'm too hot. But yesterday it snowed and I was really cold. Oh, was if it's yesterday. If it's today, you say it is. Is. Okay? It is. All right. Please read potato. Reading and writing part 4 test. Go. Okay, potato, read. Movers tip.
Birthday writing for Hillary on Miracle Circle. Make sure you can already make the with science and use forward to the back name for all now. For example, both are like
To appear.
they will take top
Okay, look at here. Oh, here, potato. You choose the answer on the given numbers. There are 3 choices. Choose only one. Okay, please read. Animals. Come on, please read. In cold parts of the world. Go. Come on, please read. Animals.
animals in cold part of the world.
We don't see. Come on. We don't see.
We don't see many animals live in the coldest part of the world, but the bears
Are white.
are what live in very cold place.
Okay, look at here. The answer here is live. Okay, how about number 1? Potato, number 1. Come on, please read. Brown bears.
Live
Oh, look at number 1. Brown bears. Is it sleep when the weather is very cold, or brown bears sleeping when the weather is very cold, or brown bear sleeps when the weather is very cold? Which one is the answer? Sleep, sleeping, or sleeps?
Sleep.
This one? Is this your answer? Sleep or sleeps?
Yeah.
Sleep? Okay. Number 2. Blank, don't wake up or eat food. What's the answer? It don't wake up or eat food? Or is it they wake up or eat food? Or we don't wake up or eat food? What's the answer? It, they, or we? We are talking about polar bears. They. Okay, next, number 3. When the weather starts getting cold, some birds fly by hotter countries, to hotter countries, or at hotter countries. What's the answer? At. Are you sure? Okay, next. But penguins are very happy in the snow. Next. The snowshoe rabbits are really clever. Blank, look at here. When the weather is very cold, or why weather is very cold, or which weather is very cold? What's the answer number 4? Potato, what's the answer number 4?
The weather very cold and
Oh, what's the answer? When, why, or which? Can you encircle your answer?
Bởi vì vẫn nó nằm là nó có chết đấy.
Why so big?
Thì tôi lại bảo nó nằm mà. Nên là nó nằm nó nhàn hơn. Rồi. Bảo cái
Okay,
này
next.
này.
Number 5, potato. Those snow on the ground, animals' fur changes from brown to white. What is it? Those snows on the ground, those animals' fur, all animals' fur, or this animal's fur?
what?
What's the answer number 5?
Con này. Ôi giời, đúng là gọi là dọc. Tí này.
Okay, potato, let's check your work.
With me.
Okay.
Let me know.
Where's the answer? Okay, write your answer again.
Gì nè?
With me là chờ tôi.
Cái gì tiếp rồi. Đúng là cái nam một tỷ.
Okay, let's check. Ready to check? Okay, number 1. Brown bears. Look at number 1. The answer is sleep. Correct. Very good. Check number 1. Brown bears sleep when the weather is very cold. Number 2. Look at number 2, potato. It's they. Look at the answer. It's correct. They. Very good. Next. They don't wake up or eat at any food. Next, number 3. When the weather starts getting cold, some birds fly. It's two. Potato, you got mistake. It's not at hotter places, but to hotter places. Yeah, that's the answer too. But penguins are very happy in the snow.
I too.
Ah, you choose two also. Okay. Snowshoe rabbits are really clever. Oh, number 4. Look at number 4. Oh, very good. When? When the weather's very cold and there's snow on the ground. Number 5. Number 5. It's this. This animal's fur changes from brown to white. So potato, that's the correct answer. Okay? So potato,
Yeah.
you got correct in some of the numbers, but you've got some mistakes in others. That's why potato, you have to be careful. Okay, before we end our class, potato, you read properly animals in cold parts of the world. Come on, please read. Animals. Read everything. Potato, animals. Please read. Read this, read. Animals.
Animal in cold part of the world. Will then you animals in the cold part of the world. Both the ball
Polar bears. Do not read fast.
Robin.
Potato, do not read fast. Slowly lang. Slowly, slowly. Not so fast again. But polar bears, come on. Polar bears, which, potato, which, potato, please read. But polar bears,
Alright, name is very complex. Brown bear live when the weather is very cold. They don't wake up or eat any food. When the weather gets start getting cold, some birds fly to cold countries, but penguins are very happy in the snow. Snowshoe rabbits are very clever. When the weather cold and there's snow on the ground, this animal will change from brown to white.
okay, very good. So potato, next time when you read, don't read so fast, okay? Teacher always asks you to read slowly, but you have to pronounce the words correctly, okay? If there are letters like letter S, which you sometimes miss, you have to pronounce that one, okay? It's okay, not fast, as long as you can pronounce the words properly. Okay. All right, so that would be all for today, Potato. Goodbye for now. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. See you next time.
Biết chồng. Tôi chơi, tôi biết chồng, tôi biết.
Goodbye.
À.
Okay, you take a rest now.
Aku tuh kan biết mà, tôi biết email rồi đấy, biết mà rồi là